Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make cauliflower roast, which is very easy to make. In a pan, add some oil. Add 2 tablespoons of butter. Now add boiled cauliflower, which is cooked in salt and turmeric water up to 5 minutes. Now add all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons. Mix it well. Now add 1 tablespoon of chili powder. Mix it well and cook the cauliflower for 5 minutes and switch off the flame. In a kadai, add some oil. Add cutted onion, capsicum, tomatoes. Mix it well. Add some salt. You can add salt according to your taste. Now add ginger garlic paste. Mix it well. Cook it for 5 minutes. Close the lid. After 5 minutes, now add the fried cauliflower to it. Mix it nicely. Now add the spices to it. Chili powder, pepper powder, coriander powder, fennel powder, turmeric powder. Mix it well. Add a little bit of water to it. And cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, open the lid and nicely mix it. Now add some chaat masala. Two tablespoons of tomato sauce. Now add half teaspoon of sugar to it. Mix it nicely. And cook for 1 minute. Close the lid. After 1 minute, add some kasturi methi to it. And tasty cauliflower roast is ready. If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe. Thank you.